Hello, this is Orion, and I will be doing one solve for the people who wonder when solves have been like. Actually, I haven't been solving them all lately, but seeing I'm not cheating, it says 0, it's my timer. Yep, so fixing to do the solve. I just noticed me mixing it up. My time, it's 26:28, 26 seconds, 20 milliseconds. Again, it is hard to see, but you'll have to trust me. But yeah, that does say it's 26:28. If you don't believe me, you can count the seconds by like putting the timer on or something.